إن المتقين في مقام نمين في جنات وعيون يلبسون من سندس وإستبرق متقابلين.
Eat to Isa, go to Isa alayhi salam, for he is the one whom Allah has created without a father. He is Ruhullah. Allah has called him His Spirit. Allah has given him this station. So they will ask, oh Isa, please, please, please come. Isa alayhi salam will say what? If Allah says to me on the day of judgment when I go in front of him, oh Isa, I sent you to tell people to worship me. What happened in the end? Why did people start worshipping you? Why did people start worshipping your mother? Why was it the case that you became a god in front of people? It wasn't Isa's fault, but he will be scared, and this will be asked to him on the day of judgment. It's in the Quran. Allah will ask him that on the day of judgment. Why did Allah put that? For the Christians to see in the Quran what Isa's state is going to be on the day of judgment. If Isa alayhi salam was a god, why would Allah say this? Ya Isa ibn Maryam, O son of Mary, O son of Mary, O Isa, you are not my son, you are son of Mary. أأنت قلت للناس اتخذوني وأمي إلهين من دون الله. Did you really go to people and tell them that take me as a god, take my mother as a god besides Allah? قال سبحانك. Oh Allah, you are free from this. You are free from whatever has been said. This is not the case. Anta, you are the one. He gives a very beautiful answer. He says, ما يكون لي أن أقول ما ليس لي بحق. I am not allowed to say anything that is not the truth. إن كنت قلته فقد علمت. Oh Allah, if I did say that. Look how humble Isa alayhi salam is. Look how humble Jesus is. This is a chapter of the Quran we need to just read to the Christians. Then you listen to this. إن كنت قلته فقد علمت. If I said it, then you will know that I've said it. تعلم ما في نفسي ولا أعلم ما في نفسك. You know what is inside myself. I don't know what's inside you. You know Allah what's in here, but I don't know anything about you. إنك أنت علام الغيوب. Oh Allah, you are the one who keeps the knowledge of the unseen. ما قلت لهم إلا ما أمرتني به أن يعبدوا الله ربي وربكم. I didn't say anything but what you ordered me to say. I said worship Allah, who is your sustainer, who is my sustainer. وَكُنْتُ عَلَيْهِمْ شَهِيدًا مَا دُمْتُ فِيهِمْ. As long as I was amongst them, I was a witness. I was one trying to stop them doing any of this. فَلَمَّا تَوَفَّيْتَنِي كُنْتَ أَنْتَ الرَّقِيبَ عَلَيْهِمْ. Oh Allah, when you took me away from the earth, when you raised me to the heavens, I was one who was taken up. You were then one watching over them. إِن تُعَذِّبُهُمْ فَإِنَّهُمْ عِبَادُكَ. If you want to punish all those Christians who worship me, who worship idols of me, who worship idols of my mother, then you are the one, they are your servants, you may do what you want. وَإِن تَغْفِرْ لَهُمْ. Oh Allah, but if you have mercy, oh Allah, if you have mercy and you forgive them, فَإِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. Then you are so mighty, oh Allah, you are so full of wisdom, oh Allah. Oh Allah, forgive these people. This is Isa alayhi salam's statement on the day of judgment.